Ready for high-sea adventure, Captain Luna?
I packed my lucky fishy! Not bad, darling. Now pull!
Bye-bye, land! Smooth sailing ahead. And woman.
When will we see a whale?
Look here. It says they migrate this way.
Just breathe the ocean, Milo. Wait, I see something! Oh. Dolphins! Faster, faster!
See? I told you it'd be perfect. Don't smudge the data, Mimi.
Over, under, through. Like magic.
Secret weapon, Mega Tuna.
Hey. That cloud looks interesting.
Uh-oh. Not interesting, Mom. That's fast.
Hold on! Prepare for a change of plans!
It's getting scary, Mama! Philo, port side, now! Focus!
Gotta secure the... Whoa!
Go away, Storm! Thanks, honey.
We're a team! We can do this!
Leo, quick! We need you down here! Rope's going. Gotta fix it. Be careful, Daddy. Stay with me, Milo.
Done! Secure!
Is it over?
So quiet now. Easy now. The ocean is still angry.
Good thing I packed the emergency rope kit.
Look! A tiny shell! You did good, Captain. Rest now, little warrior.
You helped us get past the worst of it, son.
For the sea. Sea. Dinner is complicated. Adventure changes you, doesn't it?
It only makes us stronger.
Look! The colors are amazing!
The sea gave me a present.
You weren't clumsy at all, Captain.
Sleep well, my little sailors.
A beautiful new day coming.
Morning, Mommy.
The sun is our reward.
Another knot, Leo. The sailor's best friend.
No better crew in the world.
Teamwork. Where to next, Captain?
Careful there, son. Don't break the welcome mat.
Felix, darling, you look wonderful.
We made it back, safe and sound.
It's the prettiest magic.
Reflecting our happy hearts.
Straight ahead. Home stretch. We make it, Luna. Well, look who the tide dragged in.
Grandpa!
Grandpa!
Land. Never taking it for granted. Told you they'd be back. Good sailing, kids. Got some fresh fish for the adventurers.
Welcome home, Luna. You sailed well.
Heard the storm. Good work, sailor.
It's all about Aban, the narrative. storm-conquering treat.
Foiled by gravity.
Query: did not optimize adventure success variable. Suggest resale. I'd sail into any storm with you. Race you to the comfy chair.
The best port of all. They grow up so fast, don't they?
I can't believe Mimi tried on those boots.
And Leo with his little robot.
No salt spray now, my brave captain.
You were good luck, Fishy.
A cup of calm for the crew.
Perfect. I think I'll read a lot more now.
It was a fun, scary day.
Clean slate for the next voyage.
All secure.
Tough little ship.
A new day, full of growth.
Stay strong for them. Get your morning fuel, ya landlubbers!
My next role? Brave Mariner.
Leo! Wake up!
I've logged all the data from the storm. See? I'm only clumsy on dry land.
The wave was this big.
You're a natural with the patch kit.
Life is about balancing the wild and the gentle.
Morning, Felix. Bread looks great.
2 fish skewers, please. Watch your step, darling.
The sea will call again soon.